Welcome to our channel. Managing auto-update settings for the Disney Plus app helps you control when and how the app updates, ensuring you have the latest features without interrupting your streaming experience. Here's how to manage auto-updates. Step 1. The auto-update setting for apps is controlled by your device's app store, not within the Disney Plus app itself. Step 2. For iPhone or iPad users, open the Settings app on your device. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on App Store. Step 4. Under the Automatic Downloads section, you'll see an option for app updates. Step 5. Toggle the switch off if you want to manually update Disney Plus and other apps. Toggle it on to enable automatic updates. Step 6. If you want to update Disney Plus manually, open the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and scroll down to see available updates. Find Disney Plus and tap Update. Step 7. For Android users, open the Google Play Store app. Step 8. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 9. Select Settings from the menu. Step 10. Tap on Network Preferences and then Auto Update Apps. Step 11. Choose from Over Any Network, Over Wi-Fi Only, or Don't Auto Update Apps based on your preference. Step 12. If you disable auto updates, remember to manually check for Disney Plus updates regularly to enjoy new features and bug fixes. Open Google Play Store, search for Disney Plus, and tap Update when available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.